Hi and welcome to Bonus Bank. Today is going to be a quick little demonstration of how to install HorsePower. I'm sure for those of you that have just started your match betting journey, you're quite eager to start making some good profits, and there's no better way to start than with HorsePower. So once you're on the main screen at Bonus Bank, you'll just come over here to the top right, hit Tools, and then come down to HorsePower. And then once you've selected HorsePower, you'll scroll down and you can see a download now. Once you click that, you'll see the download will start up in there in Chrome. And once Chrome has downloaded the extension, you're just going to head over to your download folder. And then once you're in your download folder, you're just going to want to extract the files here. So I've got WinRAR, but if you just haven't got anything, you can just literally right click and then go extract all. So we'll do that now. And then it's going to give you an option of where you want the file to download. I usually just go with the suggested here. And then you're just going to hit extract. And then once the file is extracted, you can see in the download folder again, it's created another folder with the same name. With this one, you can either keep it in there or you can copy it. I usually copy it over to another folder on my desktop. So I'll right click, hit copy, create a new folder here. So I'm going to just rename this one HorsePower. And then once you've done that, you can just double click and then paste it in here. I should have also mentioned the process is pretty much exactly the same on Mac as well as Windows. I'm currently on Windows, but if you're doing it on Mac, it's going to be exactly the same. And once we've copied that file over to our HorsePower file, we're going to click back on Chrome. And then now there's two different ways of getting to your extensions. You can either come up here into the top right hand corner and click extensions and then come down to manage extensions. Or if you don't have that option, you can come up to the address bar here, type in Chrome : / extensions, and it will come up that way. And now once you're in the extensions, you just want to make sure this little developer mode is selected up here. So it'll be off there, and you just click it again to turn that on. And then we're going to come over to the left-hand side and go load unpacked. And here we're just going to find that folder. So we saved it to our desktop. So go to desktop and HorsePower, and then click on whatever version it is that you've downloaded, and then go select folder. You can see it's come up here now. You can see there's nothing actually in my extensions up here. If you want to add it, you will click the extensions bar again, and then you'll come down to HorsePower and you see the little pin icon here. You select that, and now you can see it's pinned to your taskbar. Once it's there, pretty much just press it and then you're done. I'll quickly log in, and then you can see once you've logged in, it's all nice. You've got a little tour as well if you want to have a little look around. And yeah, it's that simple. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.